Water is our most important resource, and at the San Bernardino Community College District, we understand the importance of keeping our community safe. We train firefighters, nurses, and first responders to protect our homes and families. Something often overlooked is our water safety, and at San Bernardino Valley College, we are taking big strides in our mission to serve this region as the first ever college to earn the AWS Core Water Stewardship Certification. This certification means we are doing our part to protect a resource that touches every home, every family, and every future, while also training students for good-paying jobs and fueling our local economic engine.
You turn on the faucet, you expect clean water. Most of us don't think about what it takes to keep it that way. Here in California and San Bernardino, we use that water every day, at home, on our campus, across the community. At the San Bernardino Community College District, we take responsibility for how we use it, because we live here too.
Keeping water clean takes trained professionals. That's why we launched a 4-year bachelor's program focused on water systems. Our students are learning how water is treated, tested, and delivered safely. These are good-paying careers, with cities, with water agencies, right here in our region. We're preparing the people who help keep our water safe.
So we're also taking a hard look at our own campus. How much water are we using? Where can we cut waste? What needs upgrading? We brought in outside experts to review our system and help us improve. GWF helped us do that by bringing in the measurement technology and data insight we needed to understand our water use, pinpoint waste, and prioritize the right upgrades. Because of that work, Valley College earned an international certification from the Alliance for Water Stewardship. They're a global group that sets standards for responsible water management. That certification shows we're serious about protecting our water, and we are going to keep improving.
My name is Florian Strasser. I'm CEO and Chairman of GWF. So we have quite a few connections with the water community. We are very active in the United Nations Global Compact Network in Switzerland and Liechtenstein. We are also an active supporter of the CEO Water Mandate. We are supporting the Alliance for Water Stewardship and working very closely with them in various projects. Water is an issue everywhere. Either it's too much or it's too little. It needs to be managed. Water is a global issue that requires local solutions. The certification is a great addition to the already ongoing efforts in the sustainability topic that SBCCD is currently undergoing. So over the past months, we were able to develop an amazing partnership with the team here on campus. We are incredibly grateful to have this opportunity to work with San Bernardino College, and we believe that we can go a long way in this partnership, develop great solutions, and have a tremendous impact not only on the college but also on the entire community.
Water management is important because water is essential to life. Water is technically liquid gold. We're water quality protectors. We are protecting our water supply. So we pride ourselves in educating our community in the importance of water and letting them know how we're training the next generation of water stewards. And now we have an exciting new innovative program in which we're not only training the newer generation of water technicians, but we're also training the newer generation of water utility leaders.
Water is a part of everyday life. We're training students to protect it. We're improving how we use it, and we're committed to doing our part. That's how we serve this community.